Here's the club car starter removal. This is where the wires are. As you can see, white wire moves down and goes to that portion of the solenoid. Black wire also comes from this line. Green wire goes to the bottom of the starter, I believe. Yep. So this green wire goes to the bottom. Black wire goes to the frame. That right there. So black wire goes to the frame. White wire on top goes to the solenoid. Yellow wire goes to the solenoid. The other side, opposite of the white. There's one bolt here, one bolt here, and one bolt there, and down there. Those will loosen the belt, and then you can pull the starter out. It's going to be a lot harder on the regular golf cart because it's not open like this one. But now you have an idea of what needs to be removed if we want to remove the bracket. But if you have any questions, give me a call.